Hello, friend. This is Jimmy from Can Heaven Immigration Canada. There is a good news coming from Ontario. Ontario opens the application process for its regional immigration pilot program as of today, July the 10th. This immigration pilot program is for to bring the foreign talent to Ontario communities, the ones they are accepting applications. The name of the communities are Shetton, Kent, Cornwall, Quinte West, and Belleville. This is a new pathway to the permanent residence that is now available for all the prospective Ontario immigrants. OINP is accepting application for this regional pilot program. In order to be eligible, candidate must meet the criteria for any of the OINP employer job offer stream. So candidate also need to have a full-time and permanent job offer from employers located in one of these communities. This is a 2-year pilot program which will include around 150 nomination allocated for applicant who want to settle down in these communities. The ONP is also doing marketing and outreach to reach the awareness uh, among the employers and providing business services to support them for their application process. The goal of this pilot program is to connect the highly skilled immigrant with the jobs in small and rural communities. These specific locations were chosen because of their specific labor challenges and their ability to help newcomers to get settled in these communities. As you guys already understood by now, as the name suggests, applicant need a job offer in Ontario to be eligible for one of these streams in this category. They do not need to be physically present in Canada to eligible for this PNP program. Uh, there are three job offer categories in this stream: foreign worker stream for skilled workers, international student stream for recent graduates they have studied in Ontario post-secondary institution, or the in-demand skill stream for workers in specific sectors like agriculture, construction, trucking, and personal support workers. So if you come under any of these categories and you have a job offer, or any employer who's ready to give you a job offer in these communities, the ones I named before, I will let you guys know again the name of those communities: Shetton, Kent, community of Cornwall, and the community of Quinte West, and the Belleville. So if you are in any of these and you have a job offer from an employer, full-time job offer, permanent, then you are eligible to send your application for this regional immigration pilot program. It is started today, so you have another option now that is available for you to apply for the PNP in Ontario and then the permanent residence after that. So that was a little update that's coming from Ontario. I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.